Oh, God, just stop your mother.
Clear.
Buckland. Yes, city.
No vaccine. You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are a heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness. I hope all is blessed. I don't know. I hope you love anyone today. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Rasta stacks, big up yourself, general. I don't know, big up each and everyone on the platform. Nothing but guidance and blessings and protection. See? Good deeds. Yes, indeed. Now, my viewers and subscribers, a whole heap of things are going on, a whole heap of protests are going on about against the vax. That's what I say, but I look at visual, a small clippings. All the things are going on in Jamaica, but I don't know the media is always hiding the things that are going on now, because they don't want nobody to say things are going on. See? Them just want to feel like say, one thing are going on and the people are going to take it, and that's the narrative where they push. You see what I say? Yeah, so there I got the park, I got to do local training session still. Me and the two youth them, you know? Come, cross. Give them a quick session, you know, before I go up on the work, you see it? Yeah, man. So, I'm a Charlton type, you know, I used to coach Charlton, then I evolved into refereeing. You know what I mean? And now, yeah, from 2012, I'm a referee, you see me? FA referee, semi-professional. Done some big game. My last big game was Arsenal Tottenham, 2018-19 season. You know what I mean? On the line. It's on YouTube, it's on Sky. You know, on Arsenal platform as well. Where Arsenal came back 3-2 to win the Premier League. Zine? Yeah, the under 19 Premier League. Saka was in that game as well, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, come on. Come, say good morning. So, I'm a Chelsea fan.
Good morning.
I'm an Arsenal.
Make sure to get some popcorn.
So, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Yes, you see, I'm the bad one, you see me? Yeah, I don't know. Big up me youth in America to Aiden Jaden. Missing you, you know? Yeah, man, I don't know. When the world kind of free up certain way, you know, see me still, is it? Yeah, so. No, my viewers and subscribers. Nothing but love, you know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. If you notice me always, I say this because if you're not acting, you don't get, you know? And only so the channel can go, you see me? Either you like it or you dislike it. Once you take an action, you know what I mean? YouTube will acknowledge that. Come and put it out there, you know what I mean? Put it in the feed so people can see the channel and discover the channel. You understand? Yeah, man, so come. Yeah, man, so you see the lights, say, what if I think I'm going? Watch on the video, watch on the screen as I can see my viewers and subscribers. Seeing the people in my protest say, no vax, no vax. And that is Jamaica. See? But the media now put out them thing there. It's just the people that made a video on them phone and send it out, you know? You see, my viewers and subscribers, but I don't know each on his own, you know? Each to his own, you see it? I mean, some rumors are going on and say Kartel get the joke, but I know it's alleged and rumors. Unless him team them come out and say, yes, he is, or it's in the paper, you know what I mean? Yeah, but each to their own still, each to their own. That's all me I say. Is it my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man. Them there in the park here, you know? Give them out a 1 hour session and thing, man. Is it? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, so you see park here. All the football are going at the park, you see me? Yeah, man, all the love, man. All the love, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, it's a the blessed Sabbath. You know what I mean? More love and prosperity, you know? Don't know, lion foot there up on the battlefield. You see it? Look out for my album, please. Remember, look out for it. You know what I mean? Just a few more things left to tie it up and seal it off and redo the artwork and thing. It's gonna be called Welcome to Kingston, you see me? Kingston knows the hottest event. Upton Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dance, I check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%. The party's full up of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who know they are ready, I listen to and love. They rate on a dance to rubber dub. I say welcome to Kingston. Ooh, welcome to Kingston. Yeah, if I watch you on a grill, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Welcome to Kingston. Ooh, welcome to Kingston. Me nah hide or deny it. The violence steady, but it can't kill the fun. Yo, big up Jamaica country, Kingston. All over the world, tourists are fly down. What a feeling when they in the sun on the beach lie down. Eating fish and corn, sipping the white rum. Kingston sweet like coolie pump. Mount Road. Yeah man, you don't know. Look out for it, Zen? Yeah man. But I don't want to think in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers, but I don't know. The fellow Jamaicans doing the research. Zine and you know the choice is yours. You get to me I say, but a whole heap of things are going out, the whole heap of stuff, information. It's just you have to pick out and put sense and nonsense and the narrative, you know? Yeah, so we're there. I do look a football session with the boy them and things so. Watch nothing. Remember to bend your knees? Why doing this so quick? Bend your knees and come through the side. Come around, frog jump. Well done. Come, your time, Alasha. Sideways. Voilà. And frog jump, come. Frog jump. What you gonna do here now? Now if you keep your foot balanced, yeah? Alright, give yourself a clap. Go. What are you gonna do now? No hands? Stop using hand, yeah? You're not playing basketball. Move the ball to the end. Oi.
This side.
When you come through this side, you go that way. Why to shout call his name so you know he's gonna get the pass. And kick it hard. Say Malachi. Control. Now go. Go. Come. Keep going now. Asha, you stay in the green cone. Well done. Well done. Well done. Now you're going to say Asha. You see? Look how you're rushing. Yeah? Alright. That wasn't too bad. Give yourself a clap. Yeah. Alright. You see now? You have to take your time. Don't rush. Yeah? When you rush, the ball is gone. Remember, you're just learning, yeah? So take your time.
We're tired. Only need to put on the gun.
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.